Well, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, 21st of November. Christmas is coming up fast. So I'm just cruising along here just north of Dog Island, eventually going up to Alligator Point, which is up there, and that'll be my staging point in order to cross the Gulf of Mexico in a couple of days. So this is the ideal day for cruising when you're on an electric boat. So look at this. So I'm getting a plus of power, a net plus, going along at it goes up to 3.5 knots depending on the wind or so on. And I'm getting enough power from solar in order to cover going along at that speed. So that's pretty cool. So cruising along here for nothing, 97% on the battery. I plugged in at Marina yesterday to get charged up. So that's ideal. So that's just really nice. So the sun is angled at just the right point. I'm getting almost 2 kilowatts per side of power. And what helps with that is when I have this side here on the port side angled up. So I'm getting maximum sun from that one, and then the ones on the starboard are angled down, and the sun is a bit to the south, so it's kind of ideal. You can see that the boat has got a little bit of a list off here to the starboard side because I've got a north wind pushing at me, and it's going to get a little rougher as I get past Dog Point, but otherwise it's pretty cool. So this is really nice to get that much. So the other thing I did while I was in Carabel for a night, I guess one night, yeah. So because of the crossing, I need to be able to run about 50 to 60 miles. I picked up a second generator. So I'll have 2 little generators running when I do the crossing, a little bit of gasoline for those. I couldn't find a dual fuel, so I'll work on that later. So the nice thing about that is then I can continue on if it's a sunny day and be able to get all the way across. That'll be great. So we'll see what happens when the time comes. It looks like the weather's good to be good for either Saturday or Sunday to do that. So we'll move along from there, and hopefully it'll work out just fine. So yeah, beautiful, gorgeous day out here with that north wind, but otherwise very nice and enjoying going along with, I'm even making power here now, 400 watts on the depth part of that. So that's great. All right, take care everybody, and we'll talk again soon.